Hiya folks, I'm here to give a shout out to a video I just uploaded to my other YouTube channel. It's a WordPress updraft remote backup. I speak about, I know how to do it confidently now, how I lost my website, all the work was gone. And because I use Amazon, AWS, Amazon Website Services, S3 Bucket, remotely storing my WordPress website code, files, database, plugins, themes, within less than 30 minutes, I had my website up and running online again. And it works great with Updraftplus. And that's part of building your own WordPress website. If you want to build it yourself, you have to learn how to, of course, security, but learn how to back up your work. Imagine losing all your work, years of work, and it's gone. That would be horrible. That would suck. So this time I didn't panic. I said, I'm going to really understand it this time around because I've lost my websites before, about a year ago, and I got through it, but I didn't quite understand what I was doing. So I'm here to give the video a shout out. You can visit the link in the description below if you want to watch the video and see how I sync Updraftplus with my AWS S3 Bucket account. And I speak more in detail about everything. Never give up, folks. Keep doing it. I'll see you in the next video clip. Visit the link in the description below or the tag above. Have a good one. Bye.